Hello everyone, welcome back with another video at SHOEGR Care Academy, and today we have the cutest shoes in the whole wide world. Just take a look at these tiny feet. Cutest Sambas, cutest Adidas, and these Mickey Mini are adorable. Let's just get into the video without further ado. So as you can see in today's video, we'll be cleaning these wonderful super cute shoes with our SHOEGR Care products, because we do get a lot of questions from mothers and fathers. Can we use SHOEGR Care products on children's shoes? Because people are a little apprehensive, whether the child can be allergic if once or they can be ruined. But this video will show that you can absolutely, without any worry, can use all our SHOEGR Care products on these shoes. And that is the reason we have 3 different shoes which have 3 different textures. So first we have a shoe that is entire canvas. Second we have suede and leather. And third we have all leather. So I will tell you one by one how we will be cleaning all these different shoes with different texture material. So first I'll be cleaning these Adidas Sambas. So it has a little suede and entire shoe is leather, but they're not very dirty. So I will not be using a SHOEGR solution or any other kit. All I need is one SHOEGR wipe and suede care kit, and that's about it. So first I'll take the suede brush, just dry dust the suede. So after dusting it, I will be using the suede eraser. So for the suede cleaning, I think this is good enough because the color of the suede is also dark grey. I'll be just using the wipe, and one wipe will do the work absolutely perfectly. So just take the texture side. Now look at these. This one is now absolutely clean, although this wasn't very dirty as well, but you can actually see the difference. So this is the next pair. This is all leather and it's white. So for this, and you can see they're very dirty. I'll be using a standard kit because white will not do the job as such, because there are actually dark stains that will require some rubbing. So for that we have our standard kit that comes with the solution, all-purpose brush and a towel. So we are just using the all-purpose brush, but we will still go step by step, ki pehle uppers and then midsoles and then the outsoles. So this shoe is done, and I will show you how it looked before. The difference is clearly visible. So coming on to the third pair, because first we cleaned suede, now we had moved on to leather. Now we will come on to canvas. Okay, so now the third pair is of canvas, और ये shoes बहुत ज़्यादा common है. I think every child has it. So again the all-purpose brush. Okay, so this was the last pair. Again, we cleaned suede, we cleaned leather, and we cleaned canvas. Okay, so now coming to that part of the video where I was telling you कि how can we clean inside the shoe. लोगों की ये problem रहती है कि हम अंदर से shoes कैसे साफ करें और उसे deep clean कैसे करें. So for that, SHOEGR has come out with a wonderful solution, that is our very own SHOEGR Laundry System. This is the SHOEGR cube that we use in a SHOEGR laundry system, which comes with our very own SHOEGR laundry bag. So this is a laundry bag. ये डिज़ाइन ही वैसे हुआ है because it is ultra absorbent, तो अच्छे से पानी भी जाएगा अंदर. जो आपकी टम्बलिंग है कि शूज़ इधर उधर मशीन में बचते हैं because of this ड्रॉ स्ट्रिंग, ये हमेशा टाइट रहेगा, इन प्लेस रहेगा. So आपका शू का भी डैमेज होने के चांसेस है ही नहीं. Plus it also prevents color bleeding. I will just take these shoes, put it in the laundry bag and just pull the drawstring. That's it, and it's all secured. Now comes the special sugar cube. This little cube goes a long way. It is more than enough for one pair of your shoes. And as you can see, there is this little mini pocket. आपको उसी में ही cube डालना है. So just open it, pop the cube in, tie the button, and that's it. अब आपको सीधा ये मशीन में डालना है और कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Let's just do that part and I will show you the result. We are back. So the last step we had done is took the laundry system that comes with a laundry bag and sugar cubes, and we had taken those little cute shoes and just tossed them in the machine. So now it's time to see the end result. So thank you so much guys for watching the video. Do like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, any questions, any video that you would like to see, or a specific shoe cleaning, then leave your questions in the comment section below. Also, what do you think of the results and what do you think we can do next or you want to see? Do let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.